In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a short text question to your Typeform form. This is perfect if you want to collect information from your respondents, such as their name, a quick opinion, or any open-ended response. Let's get started and walk through each step together so that you'll be comfortable creating your own interactive forms in no time. First things first, open your preferred internet browser on your computer and go to typeform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your existing Typeform account. Enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts on the site. Once you've logged in and you're on your dashboard, look for the list of forms you've created. Find the form you want to edit and simply click on it. This action will take you directly into the editor, where all the magic happens. The editor is where you can add, remove, or rearrange questions to tailor your form to your needs. Now that you're in the editor, take a look on the left side of the screen, where you'll notice a plus sign or a button labeled Add Content. Go ahead and click this button. This will open up a menu with different types of questions and content blocks that you can add to your form. From the list of options, find and click on the one called Short Text. This option is ideal when you want your respondents to write their answer directly into a blank field, whether it's just a word, a sentence, or even a short paragraph. It really gives your audience flexibility to respond in their own words. After adding the short text field, you'll see a space where you can type in your actual question. Click inside the question field and type something straightforward like, "What's your name?" Of course, you can customize this to fit whatever information you want to gather, whether that's an email address, a favorite color, or anything else where a short text answer is most appropriate. Remember, clarity is important, so keep your question concise and direct. Once you're happy with your new question and the way it fits into your form, it's time to save your changes. Move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and find the Publish button. Clicking this will save all updates you've made, so your form is ready for respondents. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a short text question to your Typeform form. Don't forget to preview your form and test it before sharing with others. This way you'll be sure everything is working just as you want it to. Thanks for watching and good luck creating your next form.